Okay, so let's take a second to talk about Google. There are literally hundreds of ways out there that you can use to make money with Google on the internet. And if you're going to do a quick search for how to actually monetize Google, you're going to find all these different websites explaining many different methods. For example, things like AdSense, where you have to create your own content, then monetize it using Google AdSense to make money with. But one of my absolute favorite methods on how to monetize Google that I've been using in the past is actually using Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you how to monetize Google Maps very effectively and make anywhere between $1,000 up to $2,000 per week just by doing this. Now, this is going to work for you anywhere in the world. You don't have to have any skills or experience for this. And the best part about this, you can do this literally with zero investment. Now, to monetize Google Maps effectively, we are going to be using the HighLevel marketing platform, which is like one of the best marketing platforms that I've tried for myself. That's housing all the necessary tools to monetize everything and create very effectively marketing strategies under one roof. So instead of spending time signing up for 5 or 6 different websites, you can find everything that you need on HighLevel. And as you can see, it's already hosting over 40,000 agencies. It's being used by 1.2 million businesses worldwide. It has helped to generate over 1.9 billion leads, and it has created over 12 billion conversions. So pretty much you can see this is a platform that's already being used by millions of people anywhere in the world. And today I'm going to show you how to monetize Google Maps using it. If you're going to be doing this method, you may want to sign up for an extended 30-day trial of HighLevel. So to do that, just go to the first link down in the video description and sign up for an extended trial. Because as you can see right here, if you're going to use this generic button on their website, you will get just 2 weeks. But if you're going to use my link down in the description, you can extend this trial to 30 days. So that's going to give you twice as much time to test it out and make some money with it. So that's going to give you twice as much time to test it out and make some money with it. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button under this video, subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell, and also make sure to leave a comment in the comment section below to help me spread this video to as many people as possible. And once you do that, you want to log right into this app, and it's going to look something like this. What you want to do first is create your own agency that you want to use with this platform, and this is pretty much like an account that you're going to be using, okay? So don't get discouraged by the word agency, even if you are going to be doing a simple affiliate marketing funnel using all this automated pre-made stuff that's done for you on the HighLevel platform. You can see we've got everything from automation, sites, reputation, reporting, marketing, pretty much all the tools that you're going to be needing to set up, monitor, and scale any website or business out there. It's just a couple of clicks away. And pretty much we are going to be using some of these features to make money with Google Maps. So first of all, what you want to do after signing up to HighLevel is go to Google and you want to search for Google Maps. Hit search on that and go to this first website. Obviously, it's going to be Google Maps, so everybody knows it. Just go there. And what you have to do here is you pick a country and a city. Now, this method is going to be working worldwide, regardless of where you are living, what language do you speak. All you have to do is just follow these steps as I'm going to show you in this video. Even if you are speaking different language, just follow these steps in your own language and you can make money with this too. Now pretty much I'm going to show you how this works in United States, because obviously everyone in the United States speak English and it's easiest to explain it that way. So I'm just going to pick a city in US that I'm going to go with, and let's go with St. Louis right here in Missouri. What you want to do is just zoom to the city that you want to go with, and you want to go to the search bar and you want to type in there something, for example, like plumbing. Hit enter and you want to search for that on Google Maps, and you can see it's going to display all of these businesses that you can find on Google Maps, and even if it's not going to display every single one that you can find obviously in St. Louis, I'm guessing there's way more plumbing businesses than this, but for this method this is going to work very well. What you want to do is scroll down here in these search results on the left side, and you want to actually skip a couple of these top ranking businesses. You don't want to be targeting those. What you want to do is find a business that's going to be below the first dozen or 2 dozen businesses, because probably they are getting most of the traffic already and we don't want to be using those. Now after a little bit of scrolling down, you will find a couple of businesses that do not have a website. For example, this business that I was able to find does not list their website on Google Maps, and this is exactly the type of these companies that you want to find in the specific area. So pretty much once you do something like that, find a couple of these, and once you find a couple of these that you want to go with, what you want to do is pretty much just copy the address of the business, then just go to Google and you want to search search for the exact business. So pretty much if you do not find a website for this business on Google Maps, what you want to do is do a Google search for this business. So I'm just going to copy its name, paste it to Google, and I'm also going to add the address of the business. So it's going to find exactly this one. Just like that, hit search on that, and what you can see, you can find many different websites listing this business like Yelp, Best Pros in Town, Home Advisor, Bird Eye, Better Business Bureau, or many websites like this that are going to list the business, but I did not find the website of this exact business. So pretty much I'm going with this Yelp review right here. I'm just going to open it up, and as you can see, this business, this Experts Plumbing, has a profile on Yelp. You can see they're listing something about their business, and they are getting tons of good reviews for their good services. And also you can see right here on the right side a website that's supposed to be part of this business. So I'm just going to open it up, and as you can see, it's going to redirect me to it. And as you can see, this is a pretty minimalistic website, which is probably not even part of this business, but it has been added by Yelp because the name is similar to the original name. And what you want to do is go for companies just like this. Find a couple of them on Google Maps, and what you want to do is write down their names and addresses and then search for them on Google, or you can just go straight to yelp.com and search for them there. Then just go back to HighLevel, and what you want to do is go to this site section at the toolbar, click on it, and click on create a new funnel. You can very easily set up your own funnels on HighLevel because they are offering all these pre-made templates, which we are actually going to be using in today's video. So you can see right here, you've got tons of quality templates that you can use for your landing page or your business. So even if you are not looking to make money online and you own your own business and you want to improve your website, you can just go ahead and choose from the niches that you are in and create your own website very easily from these pre-made templates. And for today's method, we are going to be searching for plumbing. Just type in there plumbing and hit search, and you can see you've got these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pre-made templates just for the plumbing services and the plumbing niche. And what you want to do is just choose 2 of these. You can go for all 7, but I wouldn't recommend going for more than 2 or 3. And you want to click on it, and it's going to look something like this when you are going to preview it. Now pretty much just click on continue, agree with this with these terms and conditions of using these templates, click on get this template, and now you get to customize it. So it's going to look something like this once you open the customization menu, and this is pretty much one of the easiest drag and drop editors out there. All you need to do once you're going to be setting up your own website is just pretty much click on the part that you want to exchange, click on it, and just use these tools on the left side in this toolbar to customize this however you want to. Now I'm going to show you how to create your very own landing site completely from scratch on HighLevel in one of my other videos. You can see it just by clicking on one of these bubbles that you can see in one of these corners right now. But for this method, what you want to do is publish this template as it is, because we are going to be customizing it a little bit later. But first of all, you want to have it as it is, as a template. So just pretty much go up here into this section, click on save, name it something like plumbing template number 1, then just scroll all the way down here, click on update metadata, and then just click on preview right here, and it's going to be opened up. It's going to look something like this, like a very nice plumbing template that you literally spend 0 effort on creating because it's part of HighLevel templates. And what you want to do is do this exact same process for at least 1 or 2 more templates. So I'm just going to go back to HighLevel, create a new funnel, go to the template library, and this time I'm going to search for the exact same thing, which is plumbing, but I'm going to open another template. For example, let's go with this one right here. I'm just going to use it exactly as a template as I did the previous one. Click on continue, agree to the terms, click on use this template, click on get this template, then just without customizing it, publish it as it is by clicking the save button, name it plumbing template number 2 or something like that, then just click on save metadata down here, and it's going to get saved. Now if you're going to preview it, you will get another high quality template, and if you're going to have at least 1 or 2 of these, what you can do is pretty much resell these. This is one of the greatest things about HighLevel, because they will give you full freedom to use their tools and to use their sites, templates, and every part of the software to resell and remarket as your own. So once you're going to sign up for HighLevel, you can literally resell everything that you can find on here to any future potential clients. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how to do exactly that. So what you want to do is just find a couple of these businesses. You don't even have to go with plumbing. You can go with anything that you want, okay? You can search for chiropractors, you can choose for tattoo artists, you can choose for pet stores, literally any business out there. You just want to go to Google Maps and you want to choose a city that you want to go with. Pretty much just do this anywhere all over the world. Just for example, let's go to France. If you going to go to Paris, you can literally search for pet store in Paris. It's going to pop up. Obviously there's going to be this language barrier, but if you're speaking French, this is going to work just as well. That's one of the reasons why I'm showing you how to do this in United States, because almost everybody out there speaks English, and high chances are if you're watching this video you speak English too. So what you want to do is search for the business that you want to go with in city that you want to go with. You want to find a couple of them. They don't even have to be without a website. You can literally just go for some that already have a website, for example this one right here. All you have to do then is just get in touch with them using email address. All you have to do then is just find their email address, and if you can't find their email address, get in touch using the phone number. Just send them a short text message inquiring about their email address, because if there's something that you want to discuss with them, once they're going to provide it, and once you collect a couple of these email addresses, pretty much all you need to do then is just go ahead and use this done for you script that I have prepared for you. Just go ahead and copy and paste this script and send it to each of these businesses. All you have to do is just go ahead and exchange this business name for the name of the business that you're going to be sending this to. Then also go ahead and change your name at the bottom of the email, and in this part, in this template link 1 and template link 2, you want to exchange those for the templates that you published on HighLevel. So pretty much there's a huge chance you will be using these exact same templates that I'm using you in this video, because there's 7 templates for plumbing on HighLevel, and if you're going to be using one of these, you can go ahead and use exactly these templates. Just copy the link to the template that you published, go back to the script and exchange it for one of these dummy keyholder words, just like that. Then just do it for the second one just as well, copy and paste it. And if you're going to be publishing more than 2 templates, just go ahead and add multiple links. But pretty much this is all you need to do, because you will be presenting these high quality pre-made templates to the businesses, and if they agree that they want you to design, publish and maintain such a website for them, all you have to do is just go back to HighLevel, and you want to go to this dashboard and click on sub accounts, because you need to create a sub account for the business that you're going to operating with. So you will just simply create a sub account for the company that you're going to be working with, then just open their profile, go to the sites and design a funnel especially for them. It's the exact same process that I showed you before, but this time you will be customizing this template to fit the customer's needs. Pretty much all you have to do is just inquire and message them back and forth what they want on their website. For example, like they can send you their own logo, or you can design it yourself and upload it here. Then just change this text, change these images, fit this entire site to fit the company that you're going to be working with. Then just pretty much publish the site as you would before, and this time what you want to do to actually improve their Google Maps and Google search rankings overall. So every time somebody is going to be looking for that niche in the specific area, and your website that you're going to be maintaining for your customer is going to be popping up, you just go to Fiverr and you want to search for Google Maps SEO. Hit search on that, and as you can see on Fiverr, you can get Google Maps ranking for as little as $10. Some of these are even cheaper. For example, this person is providing this same service for $5, but I would highly recommend that you go through these offers and find some that have at least a couple hundred reviews, 5-star reviews, or have this Fiverr's Choice badge. Those are trustworthy and reliable services that you can hire to improve the Google Maps ranking of your page that you designed and published on HighLevel for your client. And all you have to do then is just ask for a small fee for the upkeep of this website every single month. And every single month, for example, say let's say you're going to spend $10 on the optimization, so you're going to charge them like $50 per month, which is very well worth it for them, because having a professionally designed website just like this without having to worry about running it and ranking it on Google is pretty much priceless for these companies. So just go ahead and copy my template that I'm going to put on screen right now, so you can literally just post a video and copy this exact same template to an email, then just send them out to businesses that you want to work with that you found on Google Maps. And this is how easy it is to monetize something as trivial as is Google Maps. Now this is all possible and so easy to do thanks to this HighLevel platform that you can try out for yourself, sign up for your free account and get to work with this awesome all-in-one platform too. Now if you want to see yet another money-making video where I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a landing page from scratch using HighLevel, check out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day and I'm going to see you next time.